Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm here on the Scoop Studio at Productronica 2017 and I'm joined by Philipp from SEHO. Thanks for stopping by to chat. What I wanted to talk about a little bit is the rise of automation in the industry and the importance of automation as part of any company's offering. Tell me a bit about what SEHO has in that area and how it fits with all your soldering products.
Yeah, so we started invention the automation or the handling systems about 8 years now, and it was still growing and growing over the years. And at this time about 85 to 90% of all our machines go out to the customer with a handling system of SEHO. That means also the applications changed over the years. So at first it was only transferring product or assembly from A to B. But today is things common like assembly with maybe a robot or assembly working places, the ergonomics. These are all tasks which were growing over the last years.
Okay, and those challenges that you have in terms of robotics, in terms of complex automation, are you tackling those all internally or do you have partners that have experience in different areas?
So we do normally everything inside because let me say, we grow with the products of the customers. So we have a very good team, designers, software engineers, and also mechanical and electrical engineers who stay with us and help to develop our things at our own. So when it's possible, we won't get something from outside because otherwise in the after sales, you have to think about, oh, how is it working or something like that. And at the sales development, you know what you have done.
Yeah, you know exactly what you've done and what you're supporting. And in terms of how all that stuff works together, one of the key elements is obviously the connectivity between the different elements, the intelligence that goes around it. Tell me a bit about how that works and whether you're involved in the standards, the communication protocols.
So one beverage is when everything is out of one house, we can use different kinds of connections. That means we use SMEMA maybe or over a normal network interface. So we can communicate together. When we use something with a different company, we go over a normal network or SMEMA, something like that, and use our MC server system. That means it's a database kind of fleet management system. And with this we communicate with different systems also with the customer MES.
Yeah, and that customer MES part is important. But from your point of view, you need to be able to feed back and feed forward in the systems to make process improvement. Yeah. How much intelligence is there in the software?
So in the, let me say, in the standard software of the SPS level of the handling units, these are very silly, I would say. We say the knowledge should be in a higher level network. And this is done at SEHO with the MC server and also in this communication with the MES from the customer. So we make customized connections to the MES systems, to the customer. And so it's completely different. So with for automotive or other customers, it's no standard. So we have to do on each project, maybe we have to do something in the software with the MES to connect it to our handling systems.
And we're talking constantly about automation, about the benefits we get from that, about robotics and them finding their place, cobots, intelligent vehicles, that kind of thing. Where do you see that going in the next couple of years between now and the next Productronica?
Yeah, I think it's growing more and more with the robots or the automation itself because let me say the assembly workers, it's not so high grade you get in this time because you get more and more engineers. And also the workers, they get more and more payment. And you have to get your price fixed that you are still on the market. And that's why it's going more and more to the robotics. SEHO, how you said, collaborative robots. SEHO goes on a normal industrial robot because we see disadvantages in the working load, in all the safety requirements you need to work effective around humans. And that's why we go on a closed, secured cell with the industrial robot where we can have a higher speed, much more precise, and everything like that.
Yeah. Okay, well, Philipp, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for talking, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.